Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm making pressure cooker cracked chicken soup and I'll be using my Instant Pot Ultra. Cracked chicken is this dish that has just really gone viral. There's so many different versions of it. I stumbled across a soup version and I decided to turn it into a pressure cooker recipe. So let me show you how I did it. I've got a pack of chicken breast and I've seasoned it up with some kosher salt, some Goya adobo seasoning, some black pepper, some granulated garlic, and some thyme, and also a little bit of cayenne pepper, and then some paprika. I have, 6 chicken breasts. I'm going to cook all 6, but I won't be using all 6 in this recipe. So I'm placing a rack inside of my Instant Pot. This rack comes with the Instant Pot, and I added in about a cup and a half of water, and I'm sealing the pressure cooker and I'm setting it to cook for 20 minutes. Once the 20 minutes is up, I did a quick release of the pressure and then I removed the chicken. I cleaned out the pot and then I cooked 8 slices of bacon that I cut up into small pieces. While the bacon was cooking, I diced up 2 stalks of celery, 2 carrots, and 1 onion, and then I chopped up, I think, about 4 chicken breasts. So here I'm just finishing up the bacon, and then I'm transferring it to a plate. And once all the bacon is out of the pot, I then added in the vegetables, and I'm going to saute the vegetables for a couple minutes. And then once the veggies have had a chance to saute, I'm adding in some freshly ground black pepper, some granulated garlic, and then some thyme. I'll have all the ingredients down in the description box. I'm also adding in some ranch seasoning along with 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Now I'm just mixing all that together, and then I am adding back in the chicken, and I'm adding in 1 pound of spaghetti that I've broken in half, and then 32 ounces of chicken broth. And I'm just making sure that the spaghetti is completely covered in the liquid, sealing the pressure cooker, setting it to cook for 4 minutes. And then once the 4 minutes is up, I'll do a quick release of the pressure. While the spaghetti is cooking, I pulled out my KitchenAid slicer shredder attachment, and I attached it to my KitchenAid mini. And here I'm just shredding up 8 ounces of cheese. So now the spaghetti is done cooking, so I'm just giving it a quick stir, and the pasta cooked perfectly. So now it's time to add in the rest of the ingredients. So I'm stirring in the bacon and the cheese, and I'm just making sure everything's mixed thoroughly, and you want the cheese to melt into the pasta. And I'm adding in 1 cup of heavy cream. I decided to add a little bit more chicken, so I think I used 5 of the chicken breasts, and then that's it. That's the meal. I mean, this was super easy to put together, and oh my God, it was so good. Now I see why they call it cracked chicken, because this stuff was bomb, and I highly recommend that you guys give this a try. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Like I said, it's very helpful to my channel, so go ahead and click that thumb, y'all. And if you're here and you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that red button and then tap on that bell, and you'll be notified every time I do a new upload. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!